In today's fast-paced world, reaching your customers through social media is essential for small business success. But as a dedicated professional in your industry, we understand your time is precious and managing your social media presence might feel overwhelming. You don't have to handle it all alone. Introducing our hassle-free solution to elevate your online presence without breaking a sweat. Our team of experienced professionals are here to support you every step of the way. We take the burden off your shoulders by handling your social media channels, either optimizing existing ones or creating new ones from scratch. Our creative minds work tirelessly to develop engaging content tailor-made for your business. We post consistently on your behalf, ensuring your audience stays captivated and connected while you focus on what you do best. And the best part? Our services come at a fraction of the cost of hiring a part-time social media manager for your own company. But wait, there's more. For a limited time only, we offer exclusive program incentives that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Take the leap and call us today to discuss your needs. Let us design a tailored plan that enhances your online presence without straining your budget. Don't wait, act now. Reach out today and let us help you succeed in the digital world. Together, we'll make your business shine.